Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see how we can create a Power Pages website using template option. In my previous video, I have explained you what is Power Pages and we have also seen how we can create a website using Copilot option. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to create a Power Pages website using template. This is my blog. You can always go and check what is the Power Pages overview. You can always check the create site option, and in today's video we are going to see everything in practical. So I'll come back to the same portal, make.powerpages.microsoft.com, and this is the site that we have created. Of course that was a demo website, so I'm going to delete it, but this was created using Copilot. So you can always watch my previous video if you want to know how you can create a Power Pages website using Copilot. So let me delete this site as of now, and then we can take a fresh start on how to create a website using this template option. So let's wait for it to get deleted. Yeah, so it is deleted. Now, if you see the same thing, this is the home, this is where you can find the templates. So today, let's create a website with this option, start with a template. There are number of templates available, which you can directly choose to create your website. So these are kind of high classification, categorization that is given to you. What kind of application you're trying to create, you can always go ahead and select the options. So there are many templates available. If you see, right? So if I go ahead and let's say registration. So if I'm trying to create a website, where people can come and they can register for different kind of courses. So I can choose this. And if I want a simple application where user can come and submit the application for any kind of thing, then I can choose this. So it's totally up to you according to your situation, according to your project, what they want. So you can go ahead and select any template. So as of now, let me choose this. Okay, let me choose this template. So once you are selected, you can give your site name. So let me give a name like application registration. Okay, and you can change a web address. So let me give you application registration. So it's the good thing that as soon as you start typing, it will start checking that whether it is available or not. So it's very good feature. It's very fast. You can always select the language. So as of now, I want it to be English. So of course, that's what we have right now. So let me let me click done. Once I do that, it will take some time to create a new website for me. But the template that I have selected, we can always choose the preview option before we choose the template. I did not do that, but you can do that, and you can go ahead, and this is how we create a website using the template. So, like I said before, right, you always have one more option to create a website with blank, like from the scratch. So, if you want, you don't want anything to be already available, and you want to go ahead with the scratch, you always have that option. But I would prefer that you can choose this template, because Power Pages provides us so many direct options which you can choose to change the layout, to change the overall color, theme of the website very easily. So it will make your life easy, but yes, it's up to you and up to your project requirement. So let me wait for some time. Meanwhile, if I talk about my blog, so this is the overview section. You can always go ahead and check this Power Pages page. And also I have created this website, and I have enabled multiple languages in it. As of now, I have Spanish and Hindi. So if you think that if you want to know how you can enable multiple languages for the portal, just drop a comment into the video of the video, and then I'll try to create a video of how you can enable multiple languages in your portal. So let's see. Yeah, so it got created. If you see, getting your site ready. So every time whenever you have any website, you will always see active sites and inactive sites. So here, this is the one that we have created. So it will take some time to, keep all the configurations ready. But then once it is done, you will be able to see this buttons enable and you will be able to open your website. There are two options using which you know you can do and you can develop your portal. First option is using Studio. There are many options, direct option available using Power Pages Studio, using which you can do all your modifications. But yes, it is like my advice to use the Power Pages management model driven app, because that is more easy, and that is more easy and you can see everything together. It is very easy to sync also the changes of of your portal to see it onto your website. So I generally prefer the Power Pages management model driven app. We'll see it later, but Studio is also available. That would help you to add the menu items directly. So using Studio, you can take an advantage of adding the studio, adding the menus. So that will help you there. But apart from that, you can go via the model driven app for the development purpose. In my next video, we will talk about that how after creating this website, how you can open this website and what is the model driven app that is created, which can be utilized to do the development. And secondly, about the studio, because Studio also contains the admin center, which will be very useful for all of us to do multiple things like portal reset, or if you want to see the errors and details and how you can enable that part. So in my next video, we'll talk about that. So let's wait for this site to get ready, and then we will just see how it looks. So I just clicked on this preview option and you're using desktop. So you see our site is ready, and this is what the template that we have selected. So this is how our website looks like. So this is how we can create a Power Pages website using the template. In this home section, this is our site that is available. There are multiple options. If you click on edit, it will open up the studio and then we can do the modifications on our website using the studio. Also, there are multiple options available, like we can share details, and then Power Pages management model driven app. This was the app I was talking about. So using which we can do the development of the portal, and this is the admin center, and this is how we can delete the website like why we did it some time back. So in next video, we will talk about, this studio, and, about the Power Pages management, how you can do the development using these two options. And then also with the studio, we will go to the admin center and we'll talk about the options available there. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.